Hi guys, as promised, this video is in English and we are going to see how do you fill form number 15H for senior citizens. For the purposes of this video, we are going to assume that you are filling this for your father just so that the communication can flow a little more organically. And remember that this particular form is going to be applicable for this particular financial year, which started from 1st April 2022 right up till 31st March 2023. So first of all, let's go to the name of assessee. Here you're going to put your father's name, and as usual, what I always say, put the name in block letters. Next, we are going to put the Aadhaar number or the PAN card number and the date of birth. Do remember that write the date of birth in the format that is mentioned there. So do not go about changing the formats, all right? So previous year is the current financial year, all right? So the current financial year is 2022-23. That is because the financial year which started on 1st April this year is going to end on 31st March next year. So I don't have to explain anything for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here you're going to write your father's address, email ID, and telephone and mobile number. The phone number point is important, which is whether assessed to tax. And you've got two check boxes here, yes and no. So when are you going to tick mark on the yes box? And when are you going to tick mark on the no box? Now listen to this carefully because this is where most people actually get it wrong. And a lot of videos which are there online on YouTube also get it wrong. So if in the last 6 years, your father has paid income tax, all right? And paid income tax, what I mean is he has filed ITR forms on the income tax portal. So if in the last 6 years, he has filed his income tax returns, then you are going to check mark on the yes box. And you are going to write the assessment year of the latest year when he filed his income tax returns. However, if in the last 6 years, he has not filed his income tax returns on the portal, you're going to check mark on the no box and the B portion is going to be left blank. All right. So now we go to point number 15, which is estimated income for which this declaration is made. So here you're going to write the interest income. So if it is your father's FD, whatever is the interest income for the particular FD is going to be written here. Now 16 number point is estimated total income for the financial year. Let me be very clear with this because this is also something a lot of people get it wrong. So the financial year has started from 1st April 2022 and it is going to come to an end on 31st March 2023. 2023. That's next year, all right? So whatever your father is going to earn starting from April 22, May, June, July, August, all the way up till March 2023 is going to be the total estimated income. Now keep in mind the particular word estimated, all right? Now this is an estimation only. Obviously, nobody expects this number to be perfect. So just compute whatever is your best guess as to how much your father is going to earn. And whatever amount you compute, you just mention it here. And don't forget to also include the interest income when you are computing the total income for the financial year. Now 17 number point is simple. If you have filed any other 15Gs, if you filed any other 15H forms for your father, for instance, he may have FDs in different banks, and also if you have filed form 15H in a different bank, so all those details you're going to mention here. So if it is 1 form, 2 form, 3 forms, so just write whatever and then whatever is the aggregate amount for which these forms have been filed. So that's going to be mentioned here. And 18 number point is going to be very simple. Just copy exactly what you see here. So serial number is 1. Then you write the identification number of relevant investment. So this is going to be whatever is your, if let's say your father has put his money in an FD. So whatever is the FD identification number. So nature of income is going to be income from interest. And now this section, I'm so sorry. See, for some reason, touchscreens tend to do all of this. Whether you have an iPad, anything else, I really don't understand what is their problem. Any which ways, so coming back to what I was speaking, so as far as the section under which tax is deductible is concerned, you don't have to understand this. Just put 194 bracket A. All right. Actually, let me write this again. This for some reason. 194A. You don't have to really understand the section here. Just write whatever is here. And amount of income is your interest income, what we had mentioned in column 15. All right. So that amount is going to come here. Ask your father to put a signature and then proceed to the declaration, which is going to be the final part. Now, once again, you're going to write your father's name in block letters here. So the previous year is going to end on 31st March 2023 next year. So assessment year is going to be 2023-24. That is because until and unless you have earned the money in the financial year, the assessment year cannot be the same. So assessment year is always after financial year. So finally, just put the place wherever your father is located, the date, when you're filling this form. Ask your father to put another signature. Now remember, even if you're filling the form, please do not put your signatures and ask your father to put it. And that's about it. That's all that you need to do as far as Form 15H is concerned. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.